Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I will show you a website that was developed for the hardware products of a computer. Yeah, we can find many more products from the computers, PCs, mobiles, from general online shopping platforms, but this is a website especially created to sell the hardware products of the computer. You can find whatever the hardware you required for your PC or to assemble or to something repair. You can easily find the hardware products in this website. So let's look at the flow diagram of this website. In this project we have two modules, admin and customer. Admin is the one who sells the products here. So in this project, admin have predefined login credentials. With those predefined login credentials, admin will log in. After logging into the account, admin will add the categories that were available in the hardware products of the computer. After adding the categories, admin can view the categories which were added. After adding the categories, admin will add the products based on the categories. The products will be added and admin can view them. Now, when customers want to buy anything from this website, first of all, they have to register by giving their name, email, password, and other details and login. After successful registration only, they can log in. After logging into their accounts, customers can change their password if they want to change it. Customers can search for the product that they need. After searching it, they can find the product if it is available, which means which is added by the admin. After viewing the product, if customers just want to search for the product and doesn't want to buy it now only, they can save the product into their wish list so they can buy it whenever they wish to buy it. That's called wish list. They can view the wish list, and from that wish list as well they can make the order. They can add the items into the cart. From the cart they can view the cart, they can remove it, or they can continue placing order by paying the relevant amount. After paying the relevant amount, the order will be confirmed and send and will be sent to the admin module. Admin can view the orders from the customers in view orders page. From this page, admin will mark the order status as order dispatched. That means customers can collect the product. They will change the status as collect product. After collecting the product, both parties, admin can view all the product history, orders history, and customers also view their order history. Let's look at the website. This is the homepage of our website, online computer hardware shopping. So admin in this project have default login credentials, which is admin username, and password is also admin. After logging into account, admin will add the categories. Internal parts, if it's a category, you can see view categories here. Product name, hard disk. Choose file. Price, how much is this hard drive, hard disk, how many available, and description. Product added, we can see the products. If admin want to update it, they can update the product availability count. Update product, you can see available count is updated. Let's log in as a customer. First, customers have to register first, so they have to give their detail, password, email address, phone number, password. address. Customer registration successful. Now customers can log in. After logging into the accounts, if they want to change their password, customers can change their password as well. Update. Password updated successfully. Customers can view the products. Now, if they want, they can search it even by category. If there is any category, any product available in such categories, they can find them. So, this product is available and they can add the products into wish list as well, as we have seen. And we can see wish list is looks same, pretty much same, because products and wish list, from wish list as well they can send the order. So from here we'll place an order, add to cart. Now look at the cart. Yeah, this is the cart. From the cart they can remove the order or they can even place the order. So there is no such thing is here. So from wish list as well they can place the order. Add to cart. Product is added to the cart. We can see here total price, what is the category, and the product name as well. When they click on order now, they have to pay the amount by giving their card number 16 digit, name on card, what they have in their name on card, CVV 3 digits, and the expiry date. Order placed, we can see the placed orders in view orders. This is the order that was placed. Now admin can view the orders. View orders page. After viewing which from which customer, on which date, what is the status of the order, all the things will be visible here. Admin will click on dispatch. The product is dispatched. Now customers can collect the product. We have to give the updated password only. Previous password won't taken. View orders in this page. Collect product. Now this thing will be stored in history because delivered products or cancelled products will be displayed here. This is all about the online shopping computer hardware platform. Hope you guys understand, and I thank you so much for watching.